Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing more Teardown. Let's just go to a modded place. What should we do? Except I know what I'm gonna do. I think I've played on this one, so if I'm correct, as soon as we load in, pause, change weather, sunny. I cannot deal with the rainy weather. Then you have to run because that dude will eat you. Sorry, he will hurt me if I don't. Oh my goodness, he's strong. Jump! Ah! Don't worry, those guys are indestructible. I think he stopped. Oh! Nope. Who else wanna come? Saw what I did to that guy? Get in the car, dog. Never mind, get in this car. We're getting out of here. Velociraptor. Oh! Why did that not work? Oh! You! That is the first time I've actually seen that happen to one. Ah! Let's just change. I know exactly what we should do. Somewhere here. Spawnable skibbity toilet, what? The Star Wars, there's so much here. Except I can't find what I'm looking for. Multiplayer is just a joke, don't think about it. Maybe it's up here in the C section. Cars vs. MrBeast. Boom! We're gonna crash a car into him. Should load in any second. Ah, yes. Let's just start with a small motorcycle. And of course, dog, you're too heavy. No, I never wanted to do this, dog. But you've proven me that there's no other way. Goodbye, doggo. Oh, maybe, I don't know if that's gonna work. How about a go-kart? I was gonna line it up. Also, comment a name for the dog. Obviously, we need a name for the dog. Vehicle tester. We need some. Making us go up because we accidentally added some down ones. And I think we're good. You know what? You know what? It's okay. We don't need it. We could just grab ourselves another one. Nothing happened over there. Go! Oh! Straight into the chest. Never liked that microphone. What? What? How did you get over here? Thought you were over there. Which car? So many cars to choose from. That car looks interesting. It calls me. The dog just teleported in there. It swerves a lot. Off this ramp! Whoa. Wait, what? Purple. Get out! What is that? I can't deal my dog just doing that and following me. Get over here. Ah, yes. There you are. Do you know how to play the piano? No. He always comes back. It's William Afton. That looks cool. What in the world is this? Now, dog, you have to stay out of this one. Sometimes I wish I could just, like, tie him to the floor. Your leash, sir dog. How did you get in the car? What? Why is it shooting over there? Oh gosh, it broke. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. The microphone, everything. Just tore his armpit out. enjoy this. I wish I could just pick up a car and chuck it at him. That's supposed to be your cue, car. Yeah. Technically, we're still throwing cars at him. But that was a piano. Oh, the motorcycle didn't work. Did it go? Where'd the motorcycle go? Saw a tank over here. I need to pick that up before time stops. Ha. I'll throw it in front of the blue truck. I gotta remember that. What? I'm not doing anything. I can open up like a little hatch. He's still connected. We have to break him apart. This is gonna lag my game so bad. Slowly but surely, it will set it off. There we go. Hold it in place. Back you. My goodness, I can fly on this stuff. I could just go in this direction and I don't even have to vacuum everything. So I vacuum what's beneath me. No. Oh my goodness, look at the blob that was falling. Parts of MrBeast. Please, I must stand. Oh gosh. We have to get rid of all the parts. No. This should shred all of it to bits. Oh wait, yeah, the time stopper thing is still going. Oh gosh, that's setting off a lot of bombs. Restart. Oh my goodness. Remember guys, comment a name for the puppy. He needs to have a name. Fortnite event will be posted tomorrow. Woo! Can I shoot the gun? Oh god. In style. When I'm stuck beneath a platform, I go through. Wait, does a gunshot go through both layers? No. I can grab a part of it, slam it. Grab a part, slam it. Nope, explosives down there. Wait. Can I destroy this? Man, not even my arms can destroy that. I don't want to move, you moving truck. Wrong car. Oh, I'm so sorry, puppy. I'll pet you. We could just flip cars. I don't like that car. I chucked that so far. Ah! Oh! Now the moving car. He will. MrBeast, you're under arrest. They have a part of MrBeast. No. I need you. It's so rare, I just need to put it in the back of my next car. How do I pick you up? It won't let me grab you. Wonderful. Oh! Grab a piece. I just need a little bit. Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Don't worry, we still have some. Oh, this time the laser better work. Oh, it happens whenever I use the laser. That was terrible. What did I grab? Okay, when I reach inside, some stuff sometimes happens. Like, look, I grabbed something. Whatever it is, look, just the damage up there. I love the titanium gauntlets. They're just so powerful. Ha, 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 ha. Ugh, can't lift it. Is this like an army train? What was that? Big boo boo. No. Car. Don't go. Ugh. Yes. You can go, car. Nobody wants you. Wait, dog. Don't do it. No. He's down there. Take the ice cream truck. Take it. Grab on. I can pull you up. I think the truck is too heavy. Take a car. Take two. Wait, no, actually I like this car. Take that. Take whatever you want, dog. As long as I'll get you back one day. I like a monster truck. This might do damage. And now that's not going quick enough. Gotta turn around. And out. Charge! Ah! We're still going. Get out! Yeah. Ow. Dog. Wait. Dog? How did you get up here? Dog. That was cool. Oh, I was just about to drive it. But E makes me shoot, and I pressed E. Wait, this is electricity. It should explode when we hit him. So I don't want to run into other stuff. Just need to hit MrBeast. Let's go. No. Oh, it broke. Why is my mouth like squiggly? Ah! I can chuck cars, MrBeast. Ah! Dang it! Get that car off the freeway. Oh, I hit him. Oh no, I nearly hit him. Dog, I couldn't hit him with a car. I'll hit him with you. Oh. Cement. Ugh, motorcycles don't work. This will work. This will work so well, I bet you. Oh, we're already swerving. No. Cover. explosives behind us. What? More explosives. More explosives. More explosives. There's so many explosions. And the edge of the map has explosives. There we go. Here we go. There we go, and we're out. Lots of big booms happening. Also, the Fortnite event will be with a couple friends. Raise your hand if you're excited. I did not get the M&M like Mafia skin, but I got the 2 other ones. But I hope you enjoy. I will. Should I? Sure, I'll wear an M&M. Oh, I hit you in the arm. Wait, what is on this side of the wall? Same thing, but less. Boom. We grab something from the wall, slam it. Dang it, it only went down 1 floor. Whee! We just made so many holes. You can't make holes in the ground here. Also, the tank, you could do like, you could open that. What happened to your ears, buddy? You okay? Why is your tail the only thing that looks okay? Destroy it from the inside out. I mean, it's a tank, so isn't that what you're supposed to do? Like, tanks are destroyed by the inside out. Well, I want you to say hello to somebody. Somebody that's hopefully survives this. I think it's on this one. Teardown. Reject. Oh. Get back here. Let me look at you. Just making sure you don't escape the trunk. Nope, wrong car. Whee! Is he okay? Sir? I think he's finally gone. Well, I cannot get rid of him so easily. He has been a friend for so long that he has to go through a test. Can he survive the drop? He survived a drop. You always lose your leg. You'll live without your whole entire leg somehow, sir. Oh, his mouth moves. Sir? I have a bigger test for you. You survived that high. Can you survive this high? And this doesn't really debate anything, just... He actually did it, and he's completely fine. Wait, what? They're all completely fine. What? I didn't spawn that many, did I? Why did he die, but the other ones didn't? You! Get over. I even weakened your fall. You better live. Wait, what? You just landed on an explosive and lived. Can you ride my dog? No. I just want to test something. And then we will end the video off. But we must put him in front of a car. This is the car map. How you feeling? Is that his head? Why is it brown? Do that again and try not to make his head all brown. Series of cars, just in case this one doesn't work. That one just went over him. I just want to hit him. Again, that went over him. Maybe this one will work if I... Again, went over him. This one better not. I don't think this one will actually if we put the shovel all the way down. How can it run over him? Did you live? Well, now that you're already injured, I throw you. You live? Physics gun. So I don't have to grab you as hard. But you're already injured, sir. He's too injured. We might not see him in the next one. But he wants you to know. He hopes you subscribes, or else that will happen. Wait, I have an idea. Despite all the lag, to fly high, higher, look down. You see, they want you to sub. Oh, right, I have an attack drone. Bullseye. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.